Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
Thank you. I'm fine. You? What is our lesson today? Okay, what is our lesson today?
Reading, sir.
Reading, sir. Okay, let's
Reading.
open our lesson with basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, before that, I will read attendance list. Who has I call, saya present. Muhammad Naufal Afif Pratama. Present, sir. Muhammad Said Rito. Present, sir. Rizka Fikratul Aziza.
Present, sir.
Elsa Fernanda.
Present, sir.
Nurhuba Ahmada.
Present, sir.
Okay. Our topic today is traveling. Okay, now I will read first. London is the capital of England. Paris is the capital of France. Berlin is the capital of Germany. Washington is the capital of the United States of America. But New York is the large city. What is the capital of Italy, Spain, etc.? What is the capital of England? Is Paris the large city in France? Which is the large city in the United States, etc.? England is a country. France is a country. Name some countries in Europe. Is China a large country? Scotland is north of England. Is Britain north or south of London? Which country is north of Italy? Is the USSR east or west of Germany? Greenwich is near London. Edinburgh is far from London. Brighton is not far from London. It is only 50 miles. New York is far from London, more than 3,000 miles. In England and America, we measure distance in miles. In France, Italy, and other countries, we calculate distance in kilometers. A mile is a little more than a kilometer and a half, or 1,609 meters. What is the distance between London and Brighton? What is the distance between London and New York? What is the distance between London and Aberdeen? 520 miles. If we go from one country to another, from one city to another, we travel. Do you travel much? Do many people travel in summer? If you travel voyage, if you travel by air, you make a flight. Have you ever made a flight? Do you prefer a journey or a voyage? Why? How do we travel from Paris to Rome? How do we travel from Southampton to Alexandria? How long does a voyage from Europe to Canada take? 6 to 8 days. How long does it take to walk from here to the hotel? It takes about a quarter of an hour to walk there. How long does it take to fly from London to Paris? About an hour. Before starting on a journey, you look at the timetable. In a timetable, you see at what time the trains arrive and leave. There are fast or express trains which travel very quickly and stop at very few stations. There are local trains which travel only short distance and stop at almost every station. And there are slow trains which travel long distance but stop at many stations. To express trains travel very fast. Do they stop often? Do local trains travel long distance? What is the difference between a local and an express train? By which train do you travel to travel? Are there non-stop trains between large cities? On express trains, you generally find a dining car and at night sleeping cars. There are also pullman cars where you can have your meals and which are much more comfortable than the ordinary carriage. A train consists of carriage or coaches, mail and luggage vans. The carriages are divided into compartments, and on express train there is a corridor. The train is pulled by the engine or locomotive, behind which there is the tender where the coal and water are kept. If we have learned something well, we know it. If I tell you my name, then you know my name. If you have seen and spoken to a person, then you know that person. If you have often visited a town or country, then you know that town or country. Do you know what I have in my pocket? Do you know Paris? Do you know London? Sometimes we cannot keep in our heads what we have learned. We forget. If we do not forget, we remember. If you forget that I remember, I remind you. The alarm clock reminds us to get up. Who reminds you when you forget a word during the lesson? Do you remember all the English words you have learned? Have you forgotten some? Do you remember the name of all the countries in Europe with their capitals? Give the name of some cities in England: London, Liverpool, Manchester, Brighton. Give the name of some cities in Europe: Paris, Lyon, Berlin, Cologne, Vienna, Roma, Madrid, Milan, Brussels, Hague, Geneva, Copenhagen, Stockholm. Okay, Novel, please read the first paragraph.
Yes, sir. London is the capital of England. Paris is the capital of France. Berlin is the capital of Germany. Washington is the capital of the United States of America. But New York is the largest city. What is the capital of Italy, Spain, etc.? What is the capital of England? Is Paris the largest city in France? Which is the largest city in the United States? Etc. England is a country. France is a country. Name some countries in Europe. Is China a large country? Scotland is north of England. Is Brighton north or south of London? Which country is north of Italy? Is the USSR? East or west of Germany?
Thank you. Read the third paragraph.
Okay, sir. If we go from one country to another, from one city to another, we travel. Do you travel much? Too many people travel in summer. If you travel by railway, by train, you make a journey. If you travel by ship, you make a voyage. If you travel by air, you make a flight. Have you ever made a flight? Do you prefer a journey or a voyage? Why? How do we travel from Paris to Rome? How do we travel from Southampton to Alexandria? How long does Rome? How do we travel? How does a voyage from Europe to Canada take? 6 to 8 days. How long does it take to walk from here to the hotel? It takes about a quarter of an hour to walk there.
Okay, enough. Thank you, Rido.
You're welcome,
Now-
sir.
Okay, now please check your Google Classroom. There are several assignments there. Please do them, and we will discuss them together at the next meeting. Okay? Understand?
Understand, sir.
Okay. Now let's close our lesson with hamdalah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Okay, that's from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
1 week later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What is our lesson today?
Our lesson today is reading, sir.
Before starting the lesson, let's open with basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, I will read the attendance. Whose names I call, please raise your hands. Muhammad Naufal Afif Pratama.
Present, sir.
Next, Muhammad Said Ridho.
Present, sir.
Okay, nice. Next, Muhammad Syarif Hidayatullah.
Present, sir.
Okay. Have you finished the assignment I have gave you last week?
Yes, sir.
Finish?
Finish.
Yes, sir. Okay, then let's discuss it together. Please read question number 1 along with your answer. Novel?
What is the title of the story? The answer is Traveling, sir.
Okay, nice. Next question number 2, Sharif, along with your answer.
Okay. What is the capital of France? Is the answer Paris?
Okay, sit. That's great. Next, please read question number 3 along with your answer. There you go.
How long does a voyage from Europe to Canada take? My answer is 6 to 8 years. Days.
Okay. Okay, nice. Next, please read question number 4. Novel.
Which is the train pulled by? The answer is by the engine.
Okay, sit. Next is number 5. Please read. There you go, along with your answer.
Give the name of some cities in Europe. My answer is London, Paris, and Madrid, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys, you are very diligent and great. Keep it up. For the next meeting, we will discuss the material with title An Arrival. Please study it first to make it easier to understand. Okay?
Okay,
sir.
Yes. That's enough for today's meeting. I hope the knowledge I have conveyed is useful. Okay, that's enough for today's meeting. Before I close our lesson, let's close with Hamdalah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, enough for today and for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.